In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel money on Sendwave. Let's start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone and signing in if needed. Once you're in, head to the section where your recent transfers live. Depending on your version of the app, this might be labeled Activity or Transactions. You'll usually find it on the bottom menu or within your account area. This is where you can see a list of everything you've sent along with each transfer status. Find the specific transfer you want to cancel and tap into it. Take a second to confirm you've got the right one by checking the recipient, the amount, and the date. You're looking for the status label on that transfer. Common statuses include pending, processing, and delivered. That status determines what you can do next. If the transfer still shows as pending, look for a cancel option on the screen. It may appear as a button or a link. Tap cancel and confirm when prompted. The app might ask you to verify the action with your passcode or biometrics. Once confirmed, the transfer will be stopped. Refunds typically go back to your original payment method, and while timing can vary by bank or card, it's often completed within a few business days. Keep an eye on your statements, and remember that if exchange rates or fees were involved, the final refund figure may reflect those policies. If the transfer says delivered, that means the money has already reached the recipient and you won't be able to cancel it inside the app. At that point, the cancellation option won't appear, and attempting to undo it within the app won't work. When a transfer is already delivered, or if you don't see the cancel option even though it looks like it should be available, reach out to Sendwave support and share the details. The quickest route is typically through the help or support area in the app. Provide the transaction reference, the recipient's country, the amount sent, the date, and a brief reason you're trying to cancel. Support can review the transfer status on their end and advise on any next steps. Response times can vary, but you'll usually receive guidance on whether the transfer can be investigated further and what to expect regarding timing. That's it. Open the app, go to Activity or Transactions, select the transfer, cancel if it's still pending, and contact support if it's already delivered or if you don't see the option. Follow these steps, and you'll navigate cancellations on Sendwave with confidence.